Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install a 2.5mm SATA drive into a PS3, the new Super Slim. I've got a 2.5mm SATA drive with the Western Digital 3200 BEKT. It's 7200 RPM, so I guess it's gonna be hot, but I think it will hold. So I'll show you. I got this box with it. I bought the Western Digital from a site, and this is a box if you'll get with the mounting bracket. I bought it for 15 euros in Holland. So this is the SATA. I just mounted it in with these screws. You'll get it with this mounting bracket. So you'll have to insert it like this. It will just fit in, and it's quite easy. You have to just put this one in like this. And then you'll have to tighten it up quite a bit. So it's in. Now I'll need this, and it's quite easy. You'll just put it in like this and take it off like, wait a minute, like this. You have to, it's quite strong, well, hard. So it's in, and I'll probably can use it. I'll just overwrite the hard drive with my old PS3 data, because the old PS3 was just getting too slow and had not enough gigs. It had 80 gig and it's full. Goodbye guys.